Workhouse, a tradition of hands-on learning in Glacier National Park. National Park Service, Glacier National Park Conservancy.
How can the landscape tell us about past climates? Have your students build a model to find some answers.
Mountains and mountain building, the work of water.
In a sandbox or trough, have students create a landscape out of sand. Can they identify and create specific features like mountains and river valleys? Freeze gravel and small rocks into ice blocks so they have a rough base. Introduce the ice block at the head of the landscape and slowly bulldoze a path downward, forming a river valley.
A man on his knees over a trough pushes an ice block through the sand.
Can students identify the terminal moraine?
A classic example of a moraine ripples in the landscape.
Make sure to use vocabulary to identify geological features.
A man points to various features as if to indicate their significance.
With smaller glaciers, ask students if they can produce hanging valleys or cirques.
Smaller ice cubes are pressed into the sand, perpendicular to the larger ice block.
Glacier National Park was named for the glacially carved features that give character to the mountain landscape. The topography of the park tells a story of a time when the climate was cooler and ice sheets covered much of this area.
Featured, Terry Welder. Special thanks, Glacier National Park Conservancy. This lesson plan is part of the Workhouse Science curriculum for Glacier National Park.